Over the past year here at AAU, we've carried on with cherished traditions, achieved significant victories, and marked several exciting firsts. We welcomed around 200 students through our doors and said farewell to our graduating class. Organized more than 100 on-campus events, hosted multiple diplomats, including ambassadors and presidents, took top prize in a nationwide student startup competition, held our first ever Family Orientation Day, co-organized the Velvet Revolution Student Writing Contest, and to top it all off, dispersed more than 19 million crowns in financial support. Dare we boast then that the year was a success? We do indeed. Of course, this would not have been possible without you, dear students, alumni, staff, and faculty. And so we say, thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and see you in the new year.
Joyeux Noël.
Feliz Navidad.
Come va?
Veselé Vánoce a šťastný nový rok.
Buon anno e buon Natale a tutti.
S Novým godom i Roždestvom.
Happy Holidays.
Feliz Navidad. Happy Holidays. Goeie.
Merry Christmas.
Kiloco čopas, to bytný nachacovský surok.
S Novým rokom tedy s Bohem.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Dear members of the AAU community, I wish you all the best in the coming new year.